Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eris. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Eris Italia. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually going to unbox and set up an adjustable roller seam guide. This one is by Ever9. It actually works with most industrial sewing machines, but if you want to get this, I advise you check out the specs first to be very sure if your machine is going to fit. I got this about $18 on Amazon. I'm going to put the link down below. It comes with two screws to, obviously screw it to the back of the sewing machine. And this part is, okay, the bigger roller and there's a smaller roller. And the screws here is where you adjust it, for the size that you want to sew it in. And this is the part that flips up and down. And these two places are where you're going to screw to your sewing machine. So let's get started. So I'm going to use my screwdriver. This one has like different types of heads, but for this I need just a flathead screwdriver and the screws to put it in the back of the sewing machine. So because the two screws here, they are sort of special, so I had to get an Allen key for that. But in most of the models, yeah, either star or flat. So to make it easy for me to put, first I loosen the two screws here. It's much easier to install it this way. So you have to raise the lever. Then those are the two holes you have to check. If your machine has these two holes on the back, then yes, you can use this type of seam guide. So you have to be sure it has it. So first, what I do is I sort of just loosely put this part. I don't tighten it, I just let it hang so I can adjust it to fit my sewing machine properly. So I'm just going to screw these two here. It's a bit tricky. So you don't have to screw it to be tight because you may have to adjust it again. So you have to just make sure it sort of moves around easily. Then you can take the main piece and just put it there. So just like this, you can tighten both screws. At least now you know the ruler has to sit flat on the sewing bed. So just make sure it's properly fixed. Then you can tighten the two screws. The first one I actually got, it came with a star screw. I don't know why this one was different. So hopefully when you order yours, it's going to be something that's going to be easy to just tighten with the regular screwdriver or something like that. So now I'm going to tighten the part that's going to be fixed to the machine, and you can do it to be as tight as necessary because you don't want it moving around while you're sewing. Just make sure it's snug, and you always check the swing before you use it. So now let's take this baby for a test drive. But before that, I want to adjust the size of the stitches. So I just loosened it. I took one screw out. I don't really need both. So first thing, you drop your foot. If it's a walking foot or a roller foot, anyone, just drop it first. Then you use the needle to sort of pick how wide you want your edge stitching to be. Then right before you move it forward, and you just tighten it with the screw. Sorry, my hand is blocking. It's usually not this difficult, but I needed you guys to see what I was doing. So I'm just going to tighten this and check the swing. And that is basically all you have to do. It's just two simple steps and you have yourself this seam guide. I have been using the one I had before now for years, and it has worked well. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. 9 because I would have preferred a better way to adjust the size of the stitches, but I guess you get what you pay for. So I'm just going to put the links down below to the different types, and I'm going to see if I can find a way for people in Nigeria to be able to order theirs on other platforms. But for now, this one is on Amazon. I'm going to put a link down below, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it myself. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you guys in my next post.